Hi, grade 6th. In previous class of science, I have completed chapter number 1, that is food, where does it come from? And we have also completed all the tabulars in the textbook. And I had given you the homework to complete table 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 in textbook, and I had told you to write keywords and summary in the notebook. Today I am starting with textual exercise. Number 1. Do you find that all living beings needs the same kind of food? Have you seen that all the living things are eating same kind of food? So the answer is no. Different living beings eat different kinds of foods as per their body structure and internal organs depending the kind of food they eat. Means सब लोगों को अलग अलग खाना खाने की हैबिट होती है. सब लोग अलग अलग खाना खाते हैं, अलग अलग टाइप का खाना खाते हैं. किसके बेस पे? उनके खुद के बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर के बेस पे, उनके इंटरनल ऑर्गन के बेस पे और उनकी हैबिट्स के बेस पे. उनको कौन से तरीके का खाना खाने की हैबिट है. नाउ नंबर 2. नेम 5 प्लांट्स एंड देयर पार्ट्स वी ईट. हमें ऐसे 5 प्लांट्स और उसके पार्ट्स लिखने हैं जो हम खाते हैं. सो दे आर ये मैंने ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं. आप कोई भी एग्जाम्पल्स ले सकते हो. एप्पल वी आर ईटिंग एज फ्रूट्स. इट कैन बी ब्रिंजल ऑल्सो. ब्रिंजल भी पार्ट का जो प्लांट का पार्ट है उसको फ्रूट ही कंसिडर करते हैं. पार्ट की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, टाइप ऑफ फ्रूट की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पार्ट ऑफ फ्रूट, पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट. Even brinjal is also called as fruit as it comes with the part of plant. Mango is a fruit, potato is a stem, carrot is a root, spinach is a leaf. With this many more examples if you want. Ginger है वो हमारा stem है. Even broccoli है वो flower है. cauliflower भी flower category में आते हैं. Then उसी के साथ banana flowers हम खाते हैं. साउथ इंडियंस मोस्टली खाते हैं. उसी के साथ स्पाइसेस हैं या जो भी स्पाइसेस हम यूज़ करते हैं, दे ऑल आर कमिंग अंडर द सीड कैटेगरी. देन they all come from the plants. But if you want to talk about seeds, then rice, wheat, maize, pulses, mung, gram, these all are seeds. तो ये मैंने कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं, बट दिस आर द आंसर्स. नंबर 3. मैच द आइटम्स गिवन इन द कॉलम ए विद द कॉलम बी. मिल्क, कर्ड, पनीर, घी. मिल्क, कर्ड, पनीर, घी, दे ऑल आर एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स. स्पिनच, कॉलीफ्लावर एंड कैरेट, दे ऑल आर वेजिटेबल्स. Lions and tigers eat other animals, and herbivores eat plants and animals products. Now exercise 4, fill ups the blanks with the words given. Number 1, tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Number 2, deer eats only plants products, so it is called herbivore. Number C, parrot eats only plant products. D, the milk that we drink which comes from cows, buffaloes, goats and is an animal product. E, we get sugar from sugarcane. With this we have completed our exercise, textual exercise. In this textual exercise you will write question 1 and 2 in your notebook, and 3 and 4 you will complete in the textbook. With this we have this practice workbook, and in this practice workbook chapter and questions. It is on page number 3. Chapter and questions. It is on the page number 3, which is the same questions as the textual. This is the textual questions only. Yes. So you will also complete these all questions in the textbook. I'll repeat again. Number 1. Do you think that all living beings needs the same kind of food? No. Different living beings eat different kinds of food as per their body structure and internal organs depending on kind of food they eat. Number 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Number 1. Apple as a fruit, mango as a fruit, potato as a stem, carrot as a root, and spinach as a leaf. If you want, you can write many more examples, whatever you want. Number 3. Match the items given in the column A with those in column B. Column A, milk, curd, paneer and ghee. They all are animal products. Spinach, cauliflower and carrot are vegetables. Lion and tigers eat other animals, and herbivorous eats plants and plant products. These all are the same questions which are given in the textbook. Number 4. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Number 1. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Deer eats only plant products, and so it's called herbivore. Parrot eats only plant products. D. The milk that we drink, which comes from cow, buffalo, goats, is an animal product. And E. We get sugar from sugarcane. These are the textual answers, and the same are given in the textbook. So we'll complete question 1 and 2 in notebook, and rest 3 and 4 in textbook, and you will also complete chapter and questions in this workbook.